How to add music to Instagram post. Instagram is a popular social media platform that allows users to share photos and videos with their followers. By adding music to Instagram posts, users can enhance the visual experience and create a deeper emotional connection with their followers. In this video, we will show you how to add music to your Instagram posts. We will see how you can add music to stories and reels. Let's see some benefits of adding music to your Instagram post. Increased engagement. Adding music to your Instagram posts can help increase engagement, as users are more likely to stop and watch a post that includes music. Music can also help add context to a post and create a story that users can connect with. As a result, users are more likely to like, comment, and share posts that include music. Emotional connection. Music has the power to evoke emotions and create a deeper emotional connection with followers. By adding music that matches the mood of your post, you can help users feel the same emotions that you are trying to convey. For example, if you're sharing a post about a happy moment, adding an upbeat song can help users feel the joy and happiness of the moment. Brand awareness. Adding music to your Instagram posts can also help increase brand awareness, as it can make your post stand out from the crowd. By consistently using music in your posts, you can create a signature style and a unique visual and auditory experience for your followers. Viral potential. Music has the potential to go viral, especially if it's paired with a visually appealing post. By using popular or trending songs, you can increase the chances of your post going viral, which can help increase your reach and exposure on Instagram. Increased creativity. Adding music to your Instagram posts can also help increase creativity, as it provides an opportunity for users to get creative with their posts. For example, users can use music to create lip-sync videos, dance videos, or even creative montages. This can help users showcase their creativity and bring a new level of excitement to their Instagram posts. In this video, I am going to show you how to add music to stories and reels. How to add music to Instagram stories. Open the Instagram app. Be sure to be logged into your account. Tap on the plus button in the top left corner. Choose story from the list of options. Now from the right part, tap on the AA icon. Tap on the sticker icon from the top. Tap on the music sticker. You'll get a list of trending music based on the kind of content you consume. Choose your preferred track from the Instagram music library or search for a specific song using the search bar at the top. Click on the play icon next to the song name if you want to hear the music before selecting it for your video. After selecting the track, you'll see a prompt to adjust the part of the music you'd like to take up for your video. Use the slider to select the exact portion you want, and click on Done at the top right corner. You can also choose how you want the music sticker to appear on your stories, as the song name or as lyrics in different fonts. And just like that, you've successfully added music to your Instagram story for your audience to enjoy. How to add music to Instagram Reels. Open the Instagram app. Be sure to be logged into your account. Tap on the plus button in the top left corner. Choose Reel from the list of options. Add your video from the camera roll or record one using the camera feature. Once your video is ready, tap on Audio on the left side of your screen. Choose from the recommended music tracks, many of which are trending music that can help you get more views. You can also search for your preferred track in the Instagram music library using the search bar. Use the play button beside each song to hear the track before using it in your reel. Once you select your music, use the slider to adjust the exact part of the music you want to use in your video and click on Done in the top right corner. After this, you can post your reel on Instagram. This is how you add music to your Instagram stories. Thank you for watching this. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.